Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the November Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up. So let's open this up. And this is the Jolly 2 gingerbread box. So let's see what's in here. So we get a stamp set. Oh, this is cute little gingerbread house and a couple sentiments. Very cute. And that'll Stampin' Spot and Blushing Bride. And then, okay, let's see. Oh, I like the tissue, the color of the tissue paper. Let's smooth this box. Let's see here. So what is this? It looks like they're cards. Yes, okay, they're cards, and it comes with the envelopes. Okay, let me open this. And then you get, oh, these are cute. These are super cute, these little enamel dots. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so you get some dimensionals, some little glue dots, and these enamel, like candy looking dots. These are really neat. Okay, and then some double-sided tape. And then these cute little envelopes. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Wait, hold on. Okay, let's take out the instructions. Because it said they are cards, but this looks... Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, so you can make cards, or you can make like a little 3D box. Oh, never mind. You can, you just take off this tab right here to make a card. Okay, that's neat. Okay, so you get these cards, very cute. And then these little die cuts. And then these are plain die cuts. And then like these label die cuts. Really cute. Okay, let's put one of these cards together. My favorite color is green, so let's do this dark green one. So you fold it. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna make a card and I'm gonna make a little 3D box today. So let's make the card first. So it says to cut this tab off. And then let's see, I want to use one of these. Let's see here. Let's try this one. Oh. Okay, yeah, let's do that one. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna pop this up with the dimensionals. Then we are going to put a sentiment here. Let's do this color. Yeah, let's do, oh, hold on, let's see here. Enjoy. Yeah, let's do enjoy. Actually, we're going to use this color instead. Okay. And just stamp it in the middle. And I'm going to pop this up also with dimensionals. Should I use one of these? Okay, I'm gonna leave the card like this. I'm gonna use the dots for the $3. Okay, so that looks really cute, and you put it in this cute little envelope. So that's super cute. Okay, let's make a 3D one. So let's do this color and this color. So we're going to fold on the scored lines. Oh, and this one's different. So this has like little chimneys here. Cute. Oh wait, did the other one too? Oh yeah, the other one had like one chimney. Okay. So let's see. So put this like this and like that. Okay, but I want to decorate it first. Okay. Okay, this is cute. I had way too much fun with these, putting these dots on. This is super cute. Oh, I like it. You can maybe put like an LED light in here. I don't know if it'll illuminate, but that's really cute. Yeah, so these are really cute. These is really easy to make. I love getting these paper pumpkin subscription boxes because you don't have to think about making a card or anything. Everything is cut for you, and you just kind of put everything together, and it's really easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye!